This video will walk you through how to open and lock your Sentry Safe fireproof combination safe. Let's get started. To unlock your safe, first you'll need to locate your combination. It can be found on the back of your owner's manual. Be sure to store this in a secure location. To begin, rotate the dial so it's pointing at the 0. Then, rotate it to the right, passing the 0 3 times. Continue rotating the dial until you reach the first number in your combination. Next, rotate the dial to the left. Go past the second number of your combination once and stop when the dial reaches your number the second time. Finally, rotate the dial to the right again and stop when you reach the third number in your combination. Pull the handle outward to open the door. It's always a good idea to test your combination before adding your valuables. To lock your safe, simply close the door to re-engage the locking bolts, then spin the dial at least 2 times to the right to scramble the lock. The safe will not lock until the combination is scrambled. For quick access, or if the combination is lost or forgotten, the override key can be used in select models to unlock the safe. To open, insert your override key into the cylinder and turn it to the unlocked position. Then, simply pull the handle outward to open the door. Please note, when using the combination, the safe will not lock until the key cylinder is turned to the lock position. And that's it. We hope you enjoy your Sentry Safe fireproof combination safe.